What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another accessory review for the iPad. Now, you know I love my iPad and I love my accessories and my cases and my pouches and my bags, and I saw this one and I just had to pick it up. So this is one that I just got from the company Tomtoc, and you know I've done Tomtoc reviews before, but I saw this one and I said I gotta try it because it has tons of features. So first off, it's made out of a water resistant material. This is water's basically going to bead up off of here and kind of roll off. You got a slot here for your iPad, a slot here for your Macbook. So this is mainly to just carry all your electronics, but it has a nice Velcro strap on the front. You got a handle on the back, very sturdy handle, and then you have these rubberized bands back here, and we're going to get into those a little bit later on. And you also have two pockets right down here. Now I got my iPad right in hand, iPad 11, and it just kind of slides down in there, no problems, right? Goes down in there, fits, easy. Now what I want to do is I want to put my keyboard on there. So I got my keyboard right here. I'm gonna just put that on, boom, and drop that in, and it fits. No issues, no worries. Now got my MacBook. This is MacBook 2018 13.3, and I actually have a moth stand on the bottom, so not a whole lot of thickness added, and stand just kind of magnetically sticks and folds back down, and it goes in. Once it's in, Velcro it shut. That's it. That's what you're looking at. So you're carrying your iPad, you're carrying your computer, all in one. Now, flip this over and let's talk about these on the back. So these elastic bands are going to be to hold all your accessories. So you got everything in one place. So I got my charging brick for my computer, popping that in. I got my AirPods Pro, pop those in right up there, being held behind the band themselves. Then I have an SSD. I'm just going to slide that down in there. And I'm going to probably put that in between two bands, just like that. Next, I need a charging cable. So the charging cable that comes with the MacBook Pro is a USB-C to C on either end. So it's going to work with my iPad. So I just kind of fold that up in a nice little tangled mess. And I'm going to slide it down in there and pull it right on down. And there we go. Handle still is out, no issues. Okay, so we got memory, we got power, we got audio. Now we just got to fill these up. So what I really like is the Surface Arc mouse for my iPad, and then you can use this with your MacBook as well. And basically I'm just gonna take one of these pockets, open it up, slide it down in the pocket, and you're good to go. Almost there. Now on my iPad, you got Apple Arcade. I have different emulators, things of that nature for entertainment, and you need a controller. The 8BitDo Nintendo Switch Lite controller. So I've done a review on this. You may have seen it, you may have not, but I'm going to link it below so you can check this out. But this controller is nice, it's slim, has a nice form factor, and it's going to slide right down in here, and you got gaming on the go. Then you take your handle, pop this up, and there you go. So the company Tomtoc has given us a way to carry iPad as well as computer. And if you don't want to put the computer in there, you can use that slot for paperwork and things of that nature. Now, one more thing I do want to show you guys before we go and get out of here. I want to show you that this does slide into a bag. So I'm taking one of my smaller bags. This is by the company Delroy. This is a water resistant or waterproof bag. I got it wet before. I've done a video review on this, and it actually has a slot for you to put that iPad and that computer down in here, but there are not a whole lot of slots for accessories. So I'm going to take this, slide that whole thing in, and zip it up. And you got all your electronics, everything you need. So you got all your electronics all right here in one space. You got your computer, you got your tablet, you got all your accessories, you got power, you got everything, gaming, mouse, everything you need right here, all in one space. So any kind of case that you have because I know I'm going to get this question, but any kind of case that you have for your iPad, like Zoogle Muse or any OtterBox cases, those will fit in here. Like I said, I'm probably not going to be carrying my laptop in there. I'm going to use that slot for paperwork. It makes it a lot lighter because it's kind of heavy with the MacBook in there. But once you have this, this is really all you need. You got your memory, you got your power source, you got your AirPods here, you got your gaming over here, you got your mouse here, and your iPad is tucked away in there in its case with its keyboard, and it has its pencil. So everything you would need right here, palm of your hands, by the company Tomtoc. So you can pick this up on Amazon. It costs you about 22 bucks, but I think it's well worth it. It's a great little device. You know, I like my Tomtoc devices, and no, this is not a paid advertisement. I purchased this on my own. Tomtoc did not send me this. They don't send me anything, just to get that out there in the open. And I wouldn't say that if they did, because they would probably see this video and not send me anything else. So I buy this stuff out of my own pocket, and I test it for you guys and let you know what's going to be good for you and what is going to be the best bang for your buck. And I think this is a good deal right here. 22 bucks, and you're carrying all this stuff, and it's nice and protected behind this nylon, and there's a hard shell in between these two things. And like I said, you're going to be able to slide this right down in a book bag, briefcase, wherever you need for it to be. You got everything in one place. So I'll drop that link below so you can check this out for yourself. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.